we use color to track. So take a look at this screen. Here's the difference. See, this floor is flat, right?
Right.
So if I do this, I'm going to do a preview. Now I'm going to hit record, and it can do it because we're using color, right? So see that? It can see what I'm doing because it's using color.
Yeah.
Now if I turn the color off, we're going to see what the majority of other scanners would do. You'd have to put targets. So I'm going to go ahead and hit preview. I'm going to do record. And now I'm moving. The scan, it doesn't know I'm moving until I get the geometry. So to show that again, it doesn't know. Now when I get the geometry, now it knows. So by using color, you're able to track incredibly fast. That's a big difference with Artec.
Okay.
Yep. So we've got a couple models here. The Artec Eva, it's 100 microns accurate, and the Artec Space Spider, which is 50 microns. This one's a high resolution, good for small parts. You can see the owl and the detail. And this one's great for large objects. So if I want to scan like an automotive seat,
right,
you can just hop in there. And then preview, hit record.
Oh, wow.
Now I'm scanning an automotive seat. Within seconds, I'll have this entire cabin. So I can even go to the panel, get the door panel, get the steering wheel. So now I could use that to create aftermarket components, to do part validation or reverse engineer parts that I don't have yet.
Right.